Hi, my name is Tanvi and I'm a Spanish trainer. I have done till level B2 in Spanish, and also right now I'm working in an institute. It's been more than like 5 or 6 months I'm working there. So for today, I'm going to teach you some common phrases in Spanish. So now I'm going to share my screen with you. The main or basic thing, like how to greet someone in Spanish, hi or hello is hola. Hola, not hola, because H is silent. Always remember that in Spanish, we don't pronounce H. Her sound doesn't come. So it is always hola. Hola. Hola means hi or hello. Got it? So saludos. How do we say that? Saludos. The. The से जैसे दिया, the से देना. Saludos. Saludos meaning greetings. How we greet. And E, we say Y as E. E means and. Goodbye, we say that as despedidas. Despedidas means goodbyes. So, coming on to the first one, that is buenos dias or buen dia. Buenos dias means good morning. Buenos dias, good morning. Buen dia, no, what is the meaning of buen dia? Buen dia is different from buenos dias. Buen dia means good day. Okay. Buenos dias or buen dia are totally different. One is good morning and second one is good day. Okay. Moving on to the second one, that is buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes basically means good afternoon or good evening. Okay. So it is for both. Now coming on buenas noches. The sound of CH in Spanish is ch sound. Ch. So it will be buenas noches means good night. Buenas noches, good night. This word you must know by now, that is hola, not hola, hola. Now I hope that till now you got me. Okay. So next is despedidas. Despedidas means goodbyes. So seeing the first one is, now it is not hasta luego. That is wrong, because in the beginning of the video, as I told you, H is silent. So it will be hasta. Hasta luego. Hasta luego means see you later. Hasta luego. Okay. Next is hasta pronto. To. Okay. T से जैसे we say तबला, त, not t. T से टमाटर नहीं, t से तबला. Hasta pronto means see you soon. Okay. Next is, you must have heard this word, that is adios. The dia dena. Adios. Adios means bye. Next is hasta la vista. Hasta la vista means until we see each other. Until we see each other. Hasta la vista. Okay, moving on to the next one is hasta. See this N, it is different from another N. It has this accent. Can you see? Manana. We say this as manya, nya, na. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana means see you tomorrow. This ciao. Okay, there is one difference between ciao also means bye. And adios also means bye. But what's the difference between ciao or adios? What's the difference? Ciao is bye and adios is also bye. Now the difference is ciao is informal. So we can say ciao to our family members or the person that we already know. Adios is formal. Okay, adios is formal. So when suppose you're meeting a new person or the person is older than you, then you will say adios. But if you already know that person, that then you will say ciao. Ciao. Okay. Next is agradecimientos. Agradecimientos. Agradecimientos means saying thank you. Now, how to say thank you? So, saying thank you is gracias. Gracias. Always remember that the pronunciation of A in Spanish is always like A. Gracias. Okay, as you can hear me, gracias. Gracias. Next is muchas gracias. So as you can hear that the sound of CH in Spanish is ch. Muchas. Okay. And next is gracias. Fine. Gracias means thank you. And muchas gracias means thank you very much. Thank you and thank you very much. Now, respuestas a agradecimientos. Answer to saying thank you. Respuestas means answers. So, here we have de nada or por nada. De nada or por nada. De nada or por nada, basically they both means the same. It means welcome. De nada or por nada. So today in this class we have done how to say hi, how to say good morning, good afternoon, good night, and how to say goodbyes. Thank you, welcome. We have done a lot of things. So these are the common phrases that we use on the daily basis. So I just hope that you liked this video and understood what I taught you. Thank you. Gracias. Adios.